Good morning everybody and welcome to a really sunny Berthon Marina. My name's Hugh. Today we're going to be looking at a beautiful 2008 Aquastar 48S, a really versatile cruising boat. Please join us for a quick tour on board. Good morning ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Berthon. CLARSUMA is a 2008 build Aquastar 48S. She's a semi-displacement cruising motor yacht with aft cabin, 6 berths. Built in Sampsons in Guernsey by Jeff Wilson and his Aquastar tribe. She's a very tried and tested machine, modelled primarily from the 45, which was then lengthened through the 47 and became the 48S when they decided to change the upper structure slightly and put a lot more light going down. So we have a fantastic aft area with plenty of room to keep this tender on, passerelle there, fender baskets, really heavy duty mooring gear throughout this yacht. She also has an in-date life raft sat on its cradle there. And this is giving us light into her aft cabin, which is rather special on this boat, as we'll see in a minute. As you can see, the decks are kept nice and low, so really easy to get on and off her. And very, very, very ample height, stainless steel guardrails going right the way around. She also has the stainless steel upgrade package on her saloon windows, so they've removed the aluminium and treated with stainless steel. We've got a good sized anchor windlass at the front with a spare roller forward. There's a useful deck locker underneath that hatch. Triple windscreens facing forward, upper helm just perched up there on top. Full teak decks on her. And she is in only her first ownership from new. She was used as a demonstrator for the first year of build and then sold on to this current owner, who's used her sparingly from 2009 when he took delivery. Her aft cockpit is kept protected from the sun by these sunroofs, with a really useful storage area over on the port side in a locker, and also there's recessed cave lockers underneath the moulded seating. Fender baskets, plenty of warps on board. A good set of fenders, and a nice teak table just in the middle of the aft cockpit. So it's a couple of easy stairs up, plenty of grab rails. Good height grab rails actually around this flybridge as well. We've got a 1.5 helm seat facing forward with a rock and roll back, so you can either sit facing forwards or aft. Nice wraparound seating right the way around flybridge. Radar arch here with an open array scanner and also Raymarine Intellian satellite television. Chart table with chart table lid and a really commanding view forward over this plexi screen. And up here we've got an E80, we've got a wind instrument, autopilot, bow and stern thrusters and all controls for her engines. So she's running on a pair of D9s, they're 500 horsepower apiece from Volvo Penta. Let's have a look inside. So access is through a large stainless steel sliding door. This was an upgrade on CLARSUMA. We have a beautifully finished mahogany high gloss interior. So all the forward sections of the vessel are in high gloss mahogany. Over to the starboard side there's a large sideboard. We have good locker storage in here for glasses. There is plenty of space for seating on the port side. It's a large U-shaped sofa. The table will extend and there's a good spirits locker underneath it. And she's fully equipped and fully ready to go. So she's gone back in the water only a couple of days ago. And we're making this in late June after full re-anoding, polishing, anti-fouling, etc. And she's fully serviced up for this 2022 season. So isotherm fridge underneath this retrimmed leather bench seat. She's built to category B, so really great in the rough stuff. A phenomenally good hull with a nice central keel, so plenty of grip. She's also got Wesmar stabilisers, bow and stern thrusters, and Volvo's easy to use EVC throttle systems. So fleet guard, water in fuel indicators there, and also remote start for her generator set. She's working on the E-Plex system, so it's all push button digital touchscreen. It's a great helm area, plenty of ventilation, plenty of light coming in through these 3 forward screens, and you can flip up the forward end of the seating on the port side to make a navigator's helm bench, which just puts you at exactly the right height to be working the charts as you're making your passage. Really good central grab rail as well, so if things are cutting up a little bit, there's plenty of easy to handle grabs and fiddles, as you can see, to keep everything in place. So moving forward, I have 3 easy steps down into the galley area. It's a linear galley on the port side on the 48S. We've got white Corian worktops, we've got nice forward top loading refrigerator, plenty of eye level storage. There are 3 opening port lights behind that Venetian blind. We've got a washer dryer concealed, an isotherm refrigerator, a nice teak and holly floor with loose over carpets to keep her really comfortable underfoot. That's the washer dryer in there by Whirlpool, and there's also a dishwasher at the forward end. It's a really nice galley area. Forward cabin on here, VIP suite. We've got 4 lockers in a cabinet. We've got a double berth set up on the port hand side with a hanging locker behind it. Got a heater outlet into this cabin. The lights can all be worked either centrally from the E-Plex panel or individually, and are all on dimmers. And then we've got a single berth just lower over to starboard side, so this is actually a triple cabin. Really well appointed, beautifully finished. Reading lights, nice overhead opening hatch and 2 side opening port lights. This is the ensuite access to the forward head, also acting as the day head. We have an electric heads which diverts to holding tank. Towel rail, Corian worktops throughout. Easy maintenance floor in laminate. And then this boat is equipped with a bunk cabin on the starboard side. So Pullman berth can actually be pushed back under the side deck. Got a good size hanging locker, small cave locker there, and access through into the main wiring of the helm panel through those 2 mirrored doors also. She is in incredibly good condition. She's a 2008 boat as said, but showing very, very little wear and full professional maintenance during her life. That's just to show you she's equipped with both heating. There's an air conditioning compressor for the main saloon. Nice set of clock and barometers, and this is what makes the 48S superb. She has a fantastic aft owner's ensuite cabin, which is trimmed in this one in high gloss maple. So those are the dimmers for your lighting circuits, and it's a beautiful, beautiful colour. Real nice honey maple, and it lifts this area which could otherwise be a little bit dark. So we've got 2 opening lights on the transom. Plenty of mirrors to throw all the available light around, 3 easy access stairs. Access through into the engine compartment. I'll show you in a moment that. Plenty of locker space. Again, an electric head, towel rail, basin, and around to the forward bulkhead. There's a shower with a very deep tray that would actually serve as a bath. It's only a small hip bath, but it would work. All in very easy maintenance GRP. And that's the heads and the holding tank level indicating kit. And as said, these boats are really built for life at sea with plenty of ex-commercial heritage. got direct access through here into the engine space. So we've got a pair of simple shaft drive D9 500 horse engines. They're running at 670 hours apiece, so very light usage for year. Direct drive down to propellers, and the carriers for her Tides marine seals still have the original seals in them. So batteries in there also, plenty of really good access through to your stern gear, and all beautifully finished. So as we head back up here, I hope that's been useful for you. So this is CLARSUMA, she's a 2008 year Aquastar 48S. Many thanks for your time.